Ellipsis Finance launched last year to allow investors to securely swap tokens on the Binance Smart Chain with little slippage. It has recently started implementing a new upgrade for it to continue achieving this goal. However, this second version of the platform involves its token EPS migrating to a new cryptocurrency under the ticker EPX. While both EPS and EPX have been largely downtrending, EPX has recently experienced a 10% rally in a recent 24-hour trading window. Could this be the end of the road for the outdated EPS token? And what does that mean for an Ellipsis price prediction? Ellipsis Finance originated as an authorized fork from the Curve Finance protocol. This new project allows users to swap coins on the Binance Smart Chain, which it claims is secure and has low slippage. The ecosystem uses a pool system that is similar to PancakeSwap and Uniswap. Investors can stake tokens into these pools, which provide liquidity for users wanting to swap their tokens. Launching as a fork from the Curve Finance protocol has proven to have its advantages. Its white paper states, the Ellipsis team will receive support from the Curve Finance team and will commit to Curve Finance core values, a trustless and decentralized architecture, zero deposit or withdrawal fees, no lockups on liquidity and extremely efficient stablecoin exchanges. However, in exchange for this agreement, holders of Curve's VCRV token will receive 25% of the total supply of Ellipsis tokens, which were airdropped over the past year. One cryptocurrency in particular is central to Ellipsis Finance, the EPS token. The main use of its native token is for investors to stake it and earn fees from the swapping platform. It can also be utilized when an investor locks in tokens to the liquidity pools, making them eligible for a share of the profits in the EPS coin. Ellipsis finances this by charging a trade fee every time the user exchanges one cryptocurrency for another. These fees are split in half between liquidity providers and EPS stackers. However, the drawback is that the newly minted EPS rewarded to investors has a vesting period of 90 days. If receivers want to withdraw the tokens before this period ends, they will be charged a 50% early exit penalty. The Ellipsis swapping platform and its token saw impressive initial growth after it launched in March 2021. Towards the end of the month, $750 million of funds was locked into the crypto project. EPS saw considerable volatility on its first day, according to CoinMarketCap, where it opened at $19.45, rose to a high of $21.29, sank to a low of $2 and closed at $2.16 all on March 24, 2021. Aside from this, the token saw steady growth as it climbed to a high of $5.65 6 days later on March 30th. This surge continued into the following month. Ellipsis saw its total value locked rocket to $2.89 billion on April 4th. On the same day, EPS reached a high of $6.19. While the TVL climbed even further later that month to $3.46 billion, the token did not see the same trend. EPS dropped to a low of $2.44 by the end of April and continued depreciating for the rest of the year. The growth in the swapping platform eventually fell victim to the same bearish pattern. By the end of 2021, the TVL was fluctuating between $500 million and $600 million. EPS reached its all-time low of $0.09438 on May 13, 2022. This came after the crypto crash that sent shockwaves into the decentralized finance market. Ellipsis Finance announced in April 2022 that it was upgrading to version 2.0 of the platform. Along with this update reveal, came news of a new token under the ticker EPX. This was designed to be an improved version of EPS. New features were unveiled for EPX, along with the existing functions of the original EPS token. Holders of the new token are able to have more of a say in the Ellipsis Finance ecosystem. For example, they are rewarded for gauge voting, where holders determine the token rewards per liquidity pool. EPS holders were able to migrate their token to the new EPX upgrade on May 23. EPS has largely fallen over the course of 2022, but as of June 24, 2022, EPS is trading at $0.1561, up 65% from its all-time low. EPX hit an all-time low of $0.000459 on June 18, but is currently trading at $0.00059114, up 30% from the all-time low. But does it have a future after the migration is completed? Let's take a look at the Ellipsis price prediction. The long-term bearish trend experienced by the swapping token has led to some pessimistic EPS price prediction forecasts. WalletInvestor calls it a bad one-year investment, with the token expected to drop to 4 cents in a year. Its Ellipsis price prediction for 2025 says it will stoop even lower to 1 cent by June of that year. The Ellipsis crypto price prediction from Digital Coin Price suggests a gradual upward trend, but says a new all-time high is out of the picture. The token is thought to hit 31 cents in 2025 and will not surpass $1 again by the next decade, according to its Ellipsis coin price prediction. Price prediction is slightly more bullish over the future of EPS. Its Ellipsis price prediction for 2022 says it will average out at 15 cents. It will then climb above $1 in 2028 and hit $2.89 in 2030. TechNewsLeader is the most ambitious regarding the Ellipsis token. It is thought to surge from 24 cents in 2022 to $2.12 in 2028. Its Ellipsis price prediction for 2030 anticipates it to be worth $4.35.